Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded turbo boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse, designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. In a world where robotics must adapt seamlessly to human-centered environments, the Unitree G1 steps forward, not as a tool, but as a collaborative agent engineered for real-world engagement. Built with precision mechanics and expandable intelligence, this humanoid robot balances dexterity and agility with refined motion control, all within a compact yet powerful frame. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The Oliap Archer Meeting Headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. No more bulky pockets or disorganized essentials. This refined system redefines what an everyday carry card holder should be. Crafted for precision and built with function in mind, the VMAG modular combination card holder system gives you control over how you carry, access, and use your daily tools. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or heading out for a weekend mission, this card holder adapts to your pace and needs. Shut out the noise and focus on what matters most: your voice. The Be Free 2.0 sound. Isolation Booth creates a powerful acoustic shield wherever you set it up. With 26 decibels of noise reduction and 89% sound absorption, this booth ensures clarity in every note, word, or recording. Whether you're tracking vocals, laying down a podcast, or joining high-stakes video calls, this booth holds back distractions so you can dial in pure, uninterrupted sound. boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering. The Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. The Sunco's Sunshine Fair infrared electric heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. Built for the modern creative, this aluminum keyboard balances striking aesthetics with uncompromising performance. Its sleek, CNC machined aluminum frame brings a refined industrial touch to any workspace. Beneath the surface, RGB backlighting glows smoothly through each key, fully customizable to suit your environment or mood, whether it's focused work or immersive gaming. Tucked into your palm like a hidden relic, this precision-built instrument merges classic navigation with modern survival ingenuity. Forged from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, its frame is as tough as it is refined, built to endure punishing elements while weighing nearly nothing. Its standout feature is a 15 times folding loop, not just for observation but capable of igniting tinder in sunlight, an unexpected fire starter that turns this tool into a true multi-mission asset. Reimagine how your screen moves with you, not the other way around. The LG Smart Monitor Swing reinvents versatility with a 31.5-inch 4K UHD touchscreen that pivots, tilts, and swings effortlessly into your workflow. Whether you're sketching out big ideas, crunching data, or binging your favorite show, this display adapts to your moment. Experience a seamless setup that gets you working in minutes. Its USB-C, HDMI, and Bluetooth connectivity open the door to an efficient workspace. No dongles, no clutter. The Denon AVR X1800H is a powerhouse AV receiver designed to elevate your home entertainment experience with exceptional 8K video and immersive audio. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, this receiver offers a versatile 7.2/5.2.2 channel configuration with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering a cinematic soundscape that surrounds you from every angle. Enhanced with Dolby Vision and HDR10+ pass-through, the AVR X1800H out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full-band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. Meet Luna, the robotic companion that blends intelligence, playfulness, and affection. This unique pet isn't just an advanced piece of technology, but a friend who will quickly become part of your daily life. Whether you're coming home or just moving around the house, Luna is always there, eager to follow and interact with you. Her excitement is contagious as she happily responds to your touch and attention. Luna is more than just a playful robot. She's smart, with cutting-edge features like a high-definition RGB camera and a powerful CPU, capable of 5 TOPS of computing power. Rugged streets and icy mountain trails finally converge into one platform. Meet the Boardrop, a hybrid training tool and immersive motion controller crafted from real recycled snowboards and skateboards. Designed to blur the lines between gaming and sport, BoardDrop responds to every twist, turn, and lean using advanced motion tracking. Whether you're grinding out a digital halfpipe or enhancing real-world balance and core strength, it delivers a dynamic, full-body workout wrapped in LED-powered flair. The Amzn.to stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Amzn.to is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Every detail of the GameSir Supernova is engineered to push the boundaries of console-style control across any device. Designed for endurance, its ergonomic shell features textured, rubberized grips and ultra-quiet buttons, making marathon sessions more comfortable and less distracting. The magnetic smart charging dock with a built-in 1000 mAh battery ensures that when you're ready to play, your controller is too. No cords, no hassle. Reimagine your space with the power to transform any flat surface into an interactive experience. The Puppy Hachi Infinite M1 is more than a projector. It's a portable smart hub, merging voice-responsive control, rich media playback, and touch interactivity in one sleek form. With 10-point AnyTouch technology, you can draw, swipe, write, or play directly on walls and tables, all with fluid, near-instant responsiveness matching high-end capacitive screens. The Halo Falls 3-in-1 waterfall, Bluetooth speakers, and shade lamp is an innovative piece designed to enhance your space with its multifunctional features. This captivating device combines the soothing sounds of flowing water, high-quality Bluetooth speakers, and a soft shade lamp, all in one compact design. The mini waterfall brings a tranquil ambiance to any room, creating a relaxing atmosphere with the sound of gently cascading water. Compact and stylish, this 3-in-1 device serves as both a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. Hospitals and care institutions require precision tools that don't interrupt patient rest. That's where VitalThings Somnify steps in, a fully contactless monitoring system designed to safeguard patients and optimize health tracking while they sleep. From tracking light, deep, and REM sleep to monitoring air pressure, humidity, and respiratory rate, the system continuously compiles a holistic sleep profile. When performance matters most, the BioLite 450 steps up with precision and reliability. Engineered for endurance athletes and serious adventurers, this headlamp delivers an impressive 450 lumens and throws a focused beam up to 295 feet, ensuring every step ahead is lit with clarity. Its optimized lens design sharpens illumination for confident movement, whether you're slicing through a night trail or clocking miles before sunrise. step into a new realm of daily cleansing with a breakthrough designed for precision and performance. The Mise Micro Bubble Showerhead, engineered in Japan, delivers a spa-grade experience from the comfort of home. Unlike conventional showers, it generates microscopic bubbles that reach deep into pores, lifting away dirt and oil without the need for harsh scrubbing or excessive soap. On late-night walks, early hikes, or roadside repairs, the right tool makes the difference. Built to perform in varied conditions, the Scout Light Blinko delivers a seamless blend of function and convenience without the excess. This multi-scenario light adapts to your environment, whether clipped to a backpack, magnetically mounted to metal, or worn hands-free on your jacket or cap. Weighing under 2 ounces and measuring just under 2 inches long, it's compact and versatile, made for those who value space and simplicity. Introducing the Bapako Keyboard, an innovative solution that revolutionizes the way you think about productivity. This device merges the functionality of a keyboard with the power of a PC, offering seamless performance with a built-in Windows 11 operating system. With its 12.3-inch touchscreen display, the Bapako provides a compact yet full-fledged computing experience. Whether you're working on documents, browsing the web, or handling creative tasks, this versatile keyboard offers everything you need for multitasking. The Focus Sound directional speaker redefines personal audio experiences by combining cutting-edge sound technology with sleek, customizable design. This speaker's unique feature is its ability to project sound in specific directions, allowing users to enjoy immersive audio without disturbing those around them. The transparent build enhances its modern appeal, seamlessly blending into any environment while also offering a creative touch with the option to attach personal photos at the back. The Tula mic sets a new standard in portability and professional-grade sound. This USB-C microphone offers studio-quality recording, making it an ideal tool for both mobile recording and desktop studio setups. Equipped with interchangeable cardioid and omnidirectional capsules, it delivers crisp, clear audio for various applications, whether recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts. In the dead of night, when most optics fail, this precision-engineered tool thrives. Designed for professionals who demand clarity in total darkness, this device reveals what the naked eye misses. With an extraordinary 800-yard detection range, it doesn't just illuminate shadows. It turns the dark into daylight. The full-color night vision isn't enhanced by artificial filters or AI simulation, it's the real thing. Pure, authentic color capture with 99% sRGB accuracy for stunning fidelity. The DuX Float redefines mobile computing with its sleek, ergonomic design. This portable monitor, designed to enhance productivity on the go, offers a stackable screen solution that adds a convenient second display to your laptop. Ideal for multitaskers, the DuX Float easily attaches to the back of your device, folding flat for easy transport. Its lightweight, ultra-thin build ensures you won't be weighed down during travel. Equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, the DuX Float brings intuitive control.